FTEG is a company that ideally focuses on fixing a great stance in the e-commerce sector, maintaining an optimistic attitude in both human and pet CBD markets. So, what does FTEG do? What are the important updates a stock enthusiast needs to know to act decisively? Are FTEG stocks overvalued? Is it a buy? Many questions might be popping up in your head. To quench all your curious thoughts, tag along with us till the end. Hello future billionaires, and welcome to Pennystock Lifestyle, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. What exactly is FTEG? FTEG, or For the Earth Corporation, provides some eco-friendly, non-toxic and biodegradable products. The products extend from a range of products including odor elimination effective solutions to eco-friendly cleaning and health products. The company, set up by Nelson Grist back on May 19, 2008, still maintains its essentiality in the volatile stock market. They are an emerging integrated CBD manufacturer and retailer headquartered in Phoenix, United States. The market cap for the Earth Corporation is marked in the global trade market as FTEG. Let's look into the stock updates and observations made on this particular stock. Market updates. For the Earth Corp, or FTEG stocks, have made some big movements in the year 2021, and according to the analysis, is titled by stock forecast or prediction experts as a strong buy or hold candidate given its growth trajectory. The company has managed to take some big swings this year, and the stock price shot up by 3.57% on April 9, 2021. Ever since the global trade market had gone through a massive crisis due to the pandemic, the real value investors and stock enthusiasts have been in chaos choosing the right stocks to invest in. But fret not, as here we are, analyzing FTEG stocks as much as possible. The stock price rose from $0.0028 to $0.0029. They have maintained the momentum for 6 days in a row. Maintaining this kind of momentum doesn't happen that often without falling at least slightly for a day or two. On April 9th, the stock fluctuated by 32%, marking a day low at $0.0025 and a day high at $0.0033. However, the price rose in 6 of the last 10 days. The stocks are up 93.33% if you observe the past 2 weeks. The cap volume has skyrocketed accompanying the price hike. Technically analyzing, one can call it a positive sign when considering market trends carefully. Altogether, a hike of a whopping 612 million shares were traded wholly compared to the day before statistics. Hence, a total of 2 billion shares were bought and sold for an approximate value of $6.36 million. The FTEG stock has eventually ended up entering a bullish market and broke the usual and conventional market trend of a wide but strong short-term increase. In fact, the momentum has indicated that the stocks have the potential to maintain beautiful and attractive numbers in the coming days. If an adverse reaction happens downwards, there will be for now support backing up the current trend broken at the estimate of $0.0022, and this phase may serve as a golden ticket to hit a home run without any doubt. According to some of the all-time FTEG stock lovers, $0.0029 will be acting as the next potential trending top level, and hence a resistance may be induced or observed that may be hard to break just by a first try. Expert forecasts reports. While some stock lovers like to buy stocks that offer high paybacks in short time, some real value investors always go for long-term choices. And the good news is that For the Earth Corp serves as both a long-term and short-term investment alternative. Some of the renowned stock analysts have made a positive forecast on the FTEG stocks. Accordingly, the stock now holds a high rate when you consider both the buy and hold aspects, which is the crucial point when a stock valuation is taken into consideration. And if you observe commonly, a strong buy is the frequently opinionated solution related to FTEG stocks currently, as the signal for a long term has attained a more than average valuation compared to short terms. and based on amendments down, there will be some backing from the ranges of $0.002 and $0.001. If some kind of deterioration takes place, experiencing a plummet in these estimates below the above-mentioned ranges, then a strong sell signal will be initiated. Now, if you take into consideration the report from the 1st of April, a strong buy signal was initiated from a pivot bottom line, and a rise by 123.08% was observed. An eventual rise indication is commonly opinionated by the experts until a new top swing is found. As mentioned earlier, the volume has been rising along with the prices, which is a great sign technically speaking. Well, along with these optimistic valuations and signaling, some negative signals were issued as well. These negative signals may or may not have a slight influence on the upcoming short-term growth reports. Besides, presently a sell signal has been initiated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). A strong buy signal was observed on April 1, 2021 due to a double bottom formation with an estimated target of $0.0016. Whether or not the target of the signal formation is achieved, there is a high chance that the stocks may continue to perform well. What are support, risk, and stop loss? The FTEG stocks maintain their stance as of now due to the accumulated volume at $0.0028, and this range could be taken as a strong buying signal level buying choice, as an upwards trend is anticipated when the support is being tested. Keeping all these in mind, along with the market volatility, the FTEG stocks may or may not evolve following an optimistic pattern, and the stocks so far have exhibited a huge prediction gap or interval, and according to the Bollinger Band, this stock is branded as a very high-risk stock. On April 8, 2021, the stock hovered at $0.0008 between the day high and low, or by 32%. The previous week, the stocks exhibited average volatility of about 38.98%. Although the For the Earth Corp has exhibited a rise for about 6 days at a stretch, the stocks are not protected from the risk factors. In fact, the risk factor for the next few days has hiked. However, a major shift is not anticipated, as the stocks are currently in very good shape when speaking on technical aspects. Hence, a positive evaluation has been observed, even though a very short-term risk is signaled. Let's now look into the stop-loss recommendations and reports. After going through some sources, we have concluded that the FTEG stocks have exhibited wide and strong shift during the day, and the movements are so high that high risk is evolved with the growth trajectory. For about 5 days ahead, a strong buy signal is initiated. Are FTEG stocks a buy? So far, we've discussed closely the potentiality of the stock and analyzed the chances and valuations on whether the stock will perform well or not. The FTEG stocks have entered a hot penny stock list, and stock enthusiasts have always kept this particular stock under close watch and observed all the variations involved related to the changing market trends. What are penny stocks? Penny stocks are generally offered by small public companies that trade for a few dollars per share. Penny stocks are listed over the counter and not on the trading floor. It's the perfect solution for setting a portfolio with a small budget. Although a high risk factor is involved with the penny stocks, the turnovers or returns offered are often attractive, and it's worth betting a small part of your money on, and the estimated losses are often less. Now, considering the daily average volatility rate of the FTEG stocks, it is estimated to be at 38.98%, and the overall risk has been marked as high risk. While some have voted the FTEG stocks would undergo a bearish market, the majority has shared an opinion that the stocks would show a gradual upward trend, keeping up with the market pace, and would eventually enter a bullish market rally. Most of these short-term signals have proven to have positive growth, and this particular stock has managed to break the rising trend up effortlessly. And this shows that an even stronger rise in the rates can be observed in the coming days. According to the renowned online stock analyst StockInvest.us, it can be concluded that if the momentum is maintained, it may be regarded as a fair chance for the Earth Corp stock to show an incredible growth pattern and a trigger to perform well in the short-term period. According to them, the current store given for FTEG stocks is 5.063. That's all for today, pals. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued penny stocks in the market right now.